Welcome back to my channel. Here are some fun and technology quiz questions for kids. 1. What does www stand for in a website address? A. World Wide Web. B. Wild Wacky Wizards. C. Web Worldwide. Answer A. World Wide Web. 2. What is the name of the first computer ever made? A. ENIAC. B. UNIVAC. C. IBM PC. D. Macintosh. Answer A. ENIAC. 3. Which company created the iPhone? A. Microsoft. B. Google. C. Apple. D. Samsung. Answer C. Apple. 4. Which of these is a search engine? A. YouTube. B. Google. C. Facebook. D. Instagram. Answer B. Google. 5. Which app is commonly used for video calls and online meetings? A. WhatsApp. B. Zoom. C. Instagram. D. Twitter. Answer B. Zoom. 6. Which popular video game involves building structures with blocks? A. Tetris. B. Minecraft. C. Fortnite. D. Roblox. Answer Minecraft. 7. Who is considered the first computer programmer? A. Charles Babbage. B. Alan Turing. C. Ada Lovelace. D. John von Neumann. Answer Ada Lovelace. 8. What does AI stand for? A. Automated information. B. Computer coding. C. Artificial intelligence. D. Database management. Answer Artificial intelligence. 9. Which of the following is a programming language? A. HTML. B. Photoshop. C. Google. D. Wi-Fi. Answer HTML. 10. Who is the founder of Amazon? A. Elon Musk. B. Jack Ma. C. Jeff Bezos. D. Reed Hastings. Answer Jeff Bezos. 11. Who are the founders of Google? A. Bill Gates and Paul Allen. B. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. C. Larry Page and Sergey Brin. D. Mark Zuckerberg and Eduardo Silveri. Answer C. Larry Page and Sergey Brin. 12. Which programming language is known for its use in web development and has a reptile name? A. Java. B. C++. C. Python. Answer C. Python. 13. What is the name of the voice-controlled virtual assistant developed by Amazon? A. Siri. B. Alexa. C. Cortana. D. Bixby. Answer B. Alexa. These questions should be enjoyable and educational for kids. Let me know if you need more questions or if there is a specific topic within technology you would like to explore. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.